Look at these golden crispy zucchini fritters. For this recipe, you'll need 1 large zucchini, a bunch of green onions, flour, 2 eggs, salt, black pepper and baking powder. First, I'm cutting off both ends of the zucchini, and then using a grater, I'm shredding it through the large holes. Once I'm done, I'll squeeze out as much juice as possible. This will prevent the fritters from becoming soggy. In a small bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk them. Then pour the eggs into the bowl with the grated zucchini. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of flour, grinding black pepper, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And finally, I chop the green onions and mix everything together until it forms a thick paste. And that's it for this part. Now it's time to fry. I'm preheating your pan with olive oil. Once hot, you can spoon the mixture into the pan and fry the fritters until golden brown on both sides. I found it easier to form the fritters with my hands, shaping them into small patties before placing them gently into the hot pan. Just be careful when placing the fritters into the hot oil with your hands. Take your time and avoid splashing the oil. Zucchini is not only low in calories, but also rich in nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. These fritters are a healthy way to enjoy a delicious, guilt-free snack or side dish. Another great thing about zucchini fritters is that you can make the batter ahead of time, store it in the fridge, and fry them up whenever you're ready. Perfect for busy days. And there you have it, crispy zucchini fritters ready to serve. Perfect as a snack or a light meal. Now they are ready to enjoy. Stick around because I will be tasting them at the end of this video. Simple and very fast to prepare. Here they are, let's try. I'm trying with a sour cream, but you can try with tzatziki. Try at home if you have a couple of zucchinis. I'm pretty sure you'll like it. Try them.